Good afternoon from Bangkok. I'm heading over to a cafe in Ekamai that I've never been before. So I'm going to take you along, show you that. But before we head over there, I'm going to show you a few places I went yesterday. I went to another cafe over off of Silom Road, which was interesting. I had something very, very interesting to eat that I've never had before. I saw it on the menu online. I'm like, I got to go try this. It's just different. So I went over there and checked it out. I also went to a Japanese knife store. I was meeting a buddy over there. He had broke his knife, like dropped it, and the tip like broke on it, so he was going to get it repaired. And I was meeting him because we were going to go get a beer after that, and I ended up buying something. So I'll show you that process. It was pretty cool. They engraved my name on the knife and stuff. I've never bought a custom knife like that. So let's go check this stuff out. I'm out in the area of Silom Road and Pan Road. The St. Louis exit is down that way. Silom Road is there, but there's a place here called Pana Sourdough, and it's ranked a 4.8 on Google. Bakery, coffee shop, but they got some different type of things on the menu. I may try something a little different today. Let's get down there and check this place out. This is it down here. Never been to this place before, never even heard of it. I just walked by today and I noticed it. So I checked it online and it looks like a really good place. Alright, some little tables up here. Got some dining down there. Let's see here. Where do I sit? I'll sit right here, I guess. Let's check some of these things out. Look at this. German berry pancake. This Eggs Benedict looks really good. So, kind of went off the board here. Ordered something totally different, something I've never had before. I saw it on the menu. I'm like, I'm gonna come and try that because it's something different. So it's oatmeal mushroom risotto. So I think it's oatmeal done up like a risotto style with mushrooms, olive oil. I got a flat white. Let me show you what I got here. So this is what we're working with here. Stir this around a little bit. All right, pretty thick. Oh yeah, it's cheesy too. Cheese in it, cheese, mushrooms, olive oil. Let's give it a shot. All right, this is it. Let's see. Never really had oatmeal done up this way. It's always sweet. Yeah, I mean, if you think of it more like when you do cream of wheat instead of sugar, more with the butter and everything in it, or even grits, like that type of deal. You know what? Some shrimp in this would be awesome. All right, bonus coverage. We'll try the coffee. Oh, wow. I ordered a flat white. I usually would get a latte, but I was told the flat white's more coffee, less milk, and this one really is. I've ordered at a few places where it's just the same as a latte, but you can definitely taste that this is much more coffee. That's good. All right, guys, gonna enjoy this. Check you out later. Yesterday, I was at home cutting a tomato, and my knife did not cut worth a crap. I went to look for my knife sharpener, couldn't find that anywhere, so I just got frustrated, and I'm over at this place here, Cut Boy. I want to get a sharpener. Let's go in there and take a look around. So if you're into cooking or into knives, let me just show you around this place a little bit. I mean, this is everything Japanese or no? Every knife Japanese? Everything Japan?
You're on TV.
So on this side is some of the higher end knives. Very expensive, very expensive, very nice knives. Like look at this one here. This is a beautiful knife, 30,000 baht. Look at that, very beautiful. $19,000. I really like these. These are super nice. Okay, making another big purchase today. About $100 for this knife, maybe a little bit more. Nice. You guys see? I was at home yesterday trying to cut a tomato, and I'm like, I need a good knife or a sharpener. So, let's see this. Oh my God. Japanese. Okay, I take this one. Okay, they're even going to engrave my knife for me. Let's watch this. Okay. Look at that. I wonder if I put my hand there if that would hurt. Look at that. That is so cool. I feel like a chef now. I've never had my own knife engraved like this. I've never had a nice knife. I went today to get my first custom suit earlier. That'll be a different video. And now I'm getting a custom knife with my name on it. Ooh, look at this. It's heavy. Oh my God, look how thick this is. How much is this one? Oh, this is only 10,000 baht. This is a heavy one. Ooh. This guy is too good. This guy is too damn good. Oh, he's got a guy directing in front of him. I was like, oh my God. Came within a centimeter of this thing. Holy shit. Wow. So close. Oh my God. Very good. So I'm at the Old English and they got some sort of promotion here.
Do you want me to explain it?
I don't understand. Let me show you. My friend Ben ordered a Guinness.
So apparently you need to drink this Guinness
Yeah.
so the black in one go, so that the black part is somewhere within the Guinness logo.
Oh, I thought if there's something inside of it, you win
No, so
something.
you have to drink the beer down and make this black stop in this margin, and you get a free beer.
Oh, so it's like you can't drink too much or not too little. So it's got to be in there. Okay. Nope.
Oh, almost.
It was so close. I should have said, go, go, go.
Yeah,
go.
why didn't you guys help?
I didn't
You guys
know.
didn't
You had
even
it
help.
tilt. When you have it tilted, you can't know.
I was fucking
Cheers.
close too.
All right, this is the strip mall here, Earth Ekamai. And I think I've eaten at some places over here before. What is this here? Rosemary, huh? Let me check this out before we go to the place I'm heading to. Ooh, little pricey here. This place is a little pricey. So real nice little strip mall. I've eaten at a Thai restaurant over there before, but I'm going today to this place right here. Pinki's Deli. Pinki's Deli. It's easy to miss. You know, I've been in here several times and never even noticed this place, but it looks pretty crowded. Looks like some nice sandwiches, different things. All right, I'm in the upstairs area. The whole downstairs is packed, but you can see the magic happening down there, making sandwiches. All right, a little hot, a little warm up here. I may have to find something downstairs. I like how everything's really pink in this place. Pretty cool, but I got to show you this menu. So I ordered an Americano, but check it out. They got photos of all the sandwiches. And so I picked the Cuban sandwich. That's it. But you also get to pick your bread. And I picked this jalapeno and cheese bread. Well, that's pretty cool though. Different breads. Oh, they got smoked butter. Different types of cream cheeses. Alright. There it is. There's my sandwich. And I gotta tell you, I got the jalapeno bread. And there's all kinds of jalapenos on the sandwich. This thing is gonna be spicy as hell. Also got some coffee. Pretty good. The bread is real buttery. It's got cheesy inside. You can taste the pork, and it's got like smoked, like smoked pork in the inside, like pulled pork, smoked pork, maybe some ham. Pretty good, not as spicy as I thought it was going to be, but nice crispy sandwich on fresh bread. That sandwich, pretty good. I would have liked it to be a little bit bigger, but I got to tell you, the bread, that cheesy jalapeno bread, very good. Sourdough, you know, very tasty. These sourdough places seem to be all the rage now in Bangkok. Everything sourdough, 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 but it's pretty delicious. It's a good sandwich. It was about $15 US, 512 Thai baht for that. Black coffee, they add in the 15% service charge, so, you know, not cheap. About the same, maybe a little bit less expensive than Bartels, but Bartels doesn't stick that service charge inside, so, you know, but you got to change it up a little bit. You got to try different places. So check this out. This is pretty new. This is brand new. Right outside of the bus station here in Akamai, right in the parking lot. Look at this. It's like a new food court, Johnny Market, premium street food. Looks like they got some little food trucks or food trailers. Right there, right outside, right in front of the bus terminal. Pretty good spot, I guess, if you're hanging out waiting for a bus. Now you got a little market to eat at over here. I'm gonna have to come and check this place out. Maybe at night when it's not so hot. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing. Catch you guys in the next one. Greeny out.